When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for being here for me. So guys, today I want to deep clean this fridge with you, and I'm also going to do the folding and baking. So if you like such contents, please don't go away, watch this video until the end. And if this is your first time here, my name is Vivian. I'm a Kenyan content creator. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi. I do cleaning, cooking, lifestyle, motherhood, homemaking, and so much guys in this channel. So if you like such contents, you are in the right place guys. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Road to 1000 subscribers guys, only 50 of you fans to go to 1,000 subscribers. So kindly consider subscribing guys. Subscribe is free, so subscribe to the channel so that we can reach there. And this is how dirty my fridge is looking like. So let's just do the cleaning and kindly watch this video until the end. Let's do this guys.
Dancing on the
This is after removing everything from the fridge guys. So I'm just going to wash all of this first before I clean the fridge.
still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Start when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
I know if ignite, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. I know if ignite, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
After all that cleaning guys, I'm now going to clean my fridge, and I'm using a mixture of water and vinegar and a clean towel to clean my fridge guys.
Oh, we are not alone. Oh, 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 we are not alone.
This is the 6th year, guys, since we bought this fridge, and I've been washing it, but I haven't removed this rubber, yeah, from the door. And from the look, guys, you can tell that this fridge is not that dirty, but guys, for sure it is dirty, yeah. So today I noticed that this rubber, yeah, the one I'm removing, yeah, it has so many dust. Just look at that. So I decided to remove both of them, guys, the upper door and the lower one, so that I wash them. So right now, let's just clean our fridge, then we will wash them later.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without an armor, we stand and fight. Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. Like a fever taking over, it's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving. In your mind, I know that you're hurting. That I'll be there, yes, I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
To wash these rubbers, guys, I'm using the same method, yeah, the mixture of water and vinegar to wash them. Then I will be rinsing with running water.
Dancing in your halo. Dancing in your halo. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver
I'm now wiping everything, guys, that I washed. Then I will returning them back to the fridge, guys.
Just in time, yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
This is the turnout, guys. My fridge is sparkling clean, guys, and I love it. Yeah, I love the turnout, guys. Just look at that. so clean, and it's smelling so good. So yeah.
Until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost.
This is the same day, guys, in the afternoon after taking lunch. Yeah, and right now I want to fold these clothes, and from the video you can see I have so many clothes to fold, but I thank God because my nephew is around. I know he will be helping me, so let's just fold these clothes, guys.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. You're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
us around 1.5 hours, guys, but finally the work is done, guys. We are done with the folding. So yeah, I'm so happy and I'm thankful. Yeah.
I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on that.
It's around 4 p.m. and right now I want to bake some cupcakes, yeah, for tomorrow's breakfast. So with me here I have egg self-rising here, the melted butter, 2 eggs, peanut butter, 1 cup of milk, sugar, and vanilla essence, and the last one is here. So let's do this, guys.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself. You're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young and dumb. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on.
I'm going to bake these cupcakes for 25 to 30 minutes, guys, and this is after 30 minutes. This is how they are looking like. They are looking so yummy. So thank you for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share, guys. See you on another one. It's a bye bye for now. Bye bye, guys.